Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your iPhone. Before you begin, it's crucial to back up all your important data. You have two main options. Either use iCloud for a convenient cloud backup or connect to a computer for a local copy. A full reset will erase absolutely everything on your device, so securing your photos, contacts, and apps beforehand is a vital first step. Once your data is safe, navigate to your iPhone settings, then tap on General. Scroll down until you find Transfer or Reset iPhone and select it. From there, choose Erase All Content and Settings. You'll be prompted to confirm this action and enter your device passcode. This process will completely wipe your iPhone clean, preparing it for a fresh start. Before the reset completes, it's essential to sign out of your Apple ID. This disables Activation Lock, a security feature that prevents unauthorized use. Go back to Settings, tap your name at the very top, and then scroll down to sign out. Follow the on-screen prompts to remove your account. This step is critical, especially if you plan to sell or give away your iPhone. After the erase process finishes, your iPhone will restart and display the familiar Hello screen, just like when it was brand new. From this point, you have two choices. You can set it up as a completely new device, or you can restore all your backed up data from iCloud or your computer. Your iPhone is now fully reset and ready for its next chapter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.